Okay, so Matt's going to help me with this. It's kind of a heavy piece of ash. I tried starting it here, as you can see. We'll try to run all the way. Might have to turn it around. It's kind of crooked, but I got most of the knots off of it. So let me bring it over. I'll put Matt. Matt, you get over here on this end here and retrieve the end. I know you probably helped your dad do some of this stuff. Of course, he had to work with stuff like this. Oh, I got to reset. Against the fence. However, does it look pretty even? Yeah. Okay, good. Let me just go back. I can't believe I can't get it any farther. I'm going to have you, as soon as I get started, I'll have you take a little bit of the weight off the end, see if that helps.
Sure.
We're almost getting there. So just leave it there.
Yeah.
Shut down it. Worked on TV. Yeah, see, we're clear around there. You just got to have a blade big enough to get all the way through.
Right. Yeah.
And a motor powerful. Getting there. We're just kind of getting off this way, aren't we? Now, where are we over here? We're nowhere over here, are we? We'll try one more time. Like I said, I don't want to get too far off. Hope the knots aren't too bad. Okay, so I'm going to try to finish this. The switch, I mean, she kept shutting down because she was overheating. Matt was helping me, as you saw. I'm going to just flip it around and go for it. Let me see here. It's quite heavy. The handle, and a little bit larger than shut down. Probably could finish it with a couple of small wedges and an axe, but I'm going to go ahead and cut that as soon as it cools off. Okay, so I think I've gotten through it enough. I'm not sure how nice that's going to look. It's just a matter of not having a large enough saw to do it right. But you work with what you got. So I'm going to take this hatchet and a hammer, and we're going to start over here, so let's get a little bit of the weight down here, I guess. Still stuck on the blade. Bring you over here. See that? See if we can get it started. Oh yeah. Let me get a couple wedges. Got a couple small ones here. Some wears, as they say. Some wears. Ah. An itty bitty one. And a tiny one. Itty bitty and a tiny one. There you go. Tiny. Put the itty bitty one right here. Fine frame. Tiny. And we'll put this one here. Okay, I don't think that's doing anything. I don't think it's big enough to do much good here. That's some. Can't complain. Hey, look at that. Didn't do that bad a job by Job. And of course, this is the handle for the Viking axe. So it's not too bad. A little bit of firewood starter here. Thin stuff, but can't complain. The blade is probably a tad dull. I know I hit a nail with it one day, which sooner or later you're going to do that if you're not real careful. But so we're going to go ahead and cut this down the middle. Let me look at this end grain. Let me make sure we're in frame here. We're going to look down. Oh yeah, I got a stupid light on. I'll look down that grain. Yeah, so I think we'll be okay. We're looking at about 4 feet long is what we're going to do. So, shut down. Poor baby. Probably really ought to use circular saw on something this small. Wood's hard, let's face it. It puts quite a drain on the motor. I could jump from saw to saw, I guess. Of course, that doesn't have a very big blade on it. We'll make her happen. Cooler weather, the thermal things do shut down, or do come back up pretty fast. Too many wedges. Pretty wood. It's ash. Oh yeah. Had a friend traded him for it. I made something for him. I believe it was, but anyway, he did this up for me, so I'll have to show him a picture of it when we get it done. Oh, come on, babe. A little thick place through here. Okay. Firewood. So, which one do we want to use? And like I said, we're not going the full length. That's about 5 foot then. Bowed. This is straighter, but this can be cut straight. So let me go ahead and start with it. That's got more knots in it, I believe. have to go with the other one. I'm not positive. I decided to go with about 3-foot handle for now. Just see, you can't really go a whole lot bigger. The axe head kind of really was supposed to be bigger. It just didn't turn out that way. It's supposed to be officially round, so that's what we'll have to do. Get it rounded out. And that'll take some time. Who knows, I might do something a little fancy here. Round this and then bring this out differently. That is, yeah, right at 3 foot. We got a little bit of Indian, Native American work here. That is the most beautiful piece. Beautiful. Super.